Hi, it's Lynne with Soft Squares, and I am standing in front of my completed block of the month for the Annie's Kit Club's Christmas sampler called Holly Jolly. And I have got 7 blocks done so far, and the 8th one just came. So let's put this one together and add it to our wall. Here it is. Block 8, it's called Reindeer, and here's a close-up of it. It is, hope the glare's not there, all applique. I actually don't mind the applique once I get doing it. I like getting it all set up, it's just the switching of the threads. You guys tell me if you're like me. I just like to sew in one color and then get everything done in that color. I do the same when I'm doing binding. I don't switch a lot, anyway, but this you have to switch. So I love doing these until it comes time to switch my thread. Anyway, let's put this together. First thing I noticed in this is it has a large piece of fabric, which is our background. Okay, and then everything else is in here, which are the die cut pieces. And there's quite a few, because there's actually quite a bit going on with this. So I'm going to get my iron out, get everything pressed and placed on there. Here's my finished block. The applique is on there. I used a gold metallic thread for the reins. And on the back side, I even used the right colors this time. Lots of threads, I'll pick those up. But that is it. Other than just, you know, picking up, cleaning up the little threads that are on here and trimming it to a final size, which I'm gonna wait to do all my trimming when I start to put it together. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the wall with the others. I'm done. Here's my finished block with the other ones. I'm very excited about how this is coming along. What do you think? Leave a comment. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.